Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the PowerPoint presentation you want to share on your computer. Make sure all your slides are organized and ready to go before the meeting begins. Next, go to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint and click Presenter View. This will activate Presenter View, which is incredibly useful as it allows you to see your notes and upcoming slides right on your screen without interrupting the flow of your presentation. Now that your PowerPoint is ready, open Google Meet and join the meeting where you'll be presenting. Before you start, double-check that your microphone, camera, and internet connection are working properly. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen for the Share Screen button in the meeting controls. Click it and you'll see several options for screen sharing. Choose a Chrome tab where your presentation is showing to share only your PowerPoint presentation instead of your entire screen. After selecting it, click on Share and your PowerPoint will start streaming live to all participants in the meeting. You can then move through your slides as usual using your keyboard's arrow keys or your mouse while keeping eye contact with your audience through the camera. And that's it. So that is how you can present a PowerPoint on Google Meet. So that's all for this video. Thanks.